Hello everyone, quick video. Got 3 packs of Stella Crown. Yeah, let's just get into it. See what we get today. If you want to chuck me a like and a subscribe, happy days. Let's see what we get. Do something good. Let's have something good today. Get rid of that. Right, Froakie, Lady Bar, Fan Rotom, I haven't got that one yet. Mindfu, Lumineon, Lacey, Rapidash, Gossifleur reverse, Azumarill reverse, and a Melmetal EX. Nice. I don't think I got that one yet. It's a very nice card. Happy with that. Next pack. Snip, snip. Let's have something else. Let's have another good one. Need it. Lechonk, I don't think I got that one. Got that one. Varoom, Lileep, not sure if I got that. Poor me, I don't think I got that either. Marowak, Frogadier, Koraidon, Tauros reverse, Pansear reverse, and Iron Boulder. I'm not sure if I got that one or not. It's a nice card. Last pack for today. Payday in a couple of days, so I'll be buying a lot more packs to open. Last pack, magic. Rotom, Scorbunny, Cover Fossil, Pancham, Vikavolt, Veluza, Briar, Crabrawler reverse, Morgrem reverse, and a Noctowl Hollow. That's it for today. That was the first pack magic today. That's it. If you want to chuck a like and a subscribe, I'll be back again soon. Cheers.